sexy welding people from YouTube. How you guys doing? I hope you guys having a good day. Captain Manny here with another video. You guys already know. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and all that. But before we start this video, guys, let me grab something to drink because I'm thirsty. Ooh. Alright. Okay. Now we're good. Alright, guys. So today's video is about back welding. It's a topic that I haven't talked about it at all, and it's something that ever since I started welding, everybody does it. Is it right? Is it not right? Is it illegal? We're gonna find out. So, back welding, guys, pretty much is when you have a pipe, okay, like this one right here, and you start welding it from the inside. And it's not like you're gonna weld the whole thing, but like if you finish putting your root and you see something that is not right, you see a key eye fish, or you see, or also when you got a lot of high-low, you know, when doing tie-ins, I've seen that a lot, and that's when a lot of people will weld the inside because they'll see the wall, and you know, because of the high-low, and they start welding a little. You know, sometimes it could be just a 1-inch piece. You know, sometimes it could be just a quarter. You know, it's something small that, you know, you see it right there, especially when you're welding flanges or when you're doing big pipe, and you will just fix it from the inside. All right, like I said, everybody does it. I have done it too, gotta be honest. Captain Manny, recently in this job, I had a flange, right, and I didn't like a little spot, you know, so I grinded a little bit from the inside and weld 610 root. Now I almost got doing it. QC almost saw me. Maybe he saw me, he didn't say nothing. But I seen, you know, people welding big pipe, all right, and that's the easiest, you know, like I said, flanges and big pipe. I saw, you know, welders welding the inside. It was a 24-inch pipe. So the foreman drives by, and I thought they were gonna get in trouble, and he said, "Hey, you guys are supposed to be welding it from the outside." And everyone started laughing. but yeah, guys, it's not legal technically, because you will have to have a welding procedure for, you know, for you to be able to weld from the inside. But also, it's nothing wrong with it, you know, because you will pass X-ray, and I've done, you know, everybody have back welding, and at least in every project, you know, I always see somebody back welding, especially if it's TIG welding. Even TIG, you know, I've seen TIG welders back welding it. So some people might say, you know, it's not right, but it's not wrong. I don't think it's wrong, and I don't think there's nothing wrong with it as far as I know, because it will pass X-ray and it will not leak or anything like that, you know. So I don't know, guys. It's just something that somebody asked me about it, like if it was okay to weld it from the inside, and I said, heck yeah, man. You know, just make sure if you have a QC around, make sure he's not around, because if he's picky, he'll be like, hey man, you're not supposed to be doing back welding, you know, because you have to have a welding procedure for that. And it's true. It's okay, I guess, to my understanding, and from what I see, it's okay to back weld, as long as the QC doesn't see you, and you know, and if you pass X-ray, and it's perfect, 100%. I love it. All right, let me know in the comment section below if you have back welded before. What do you think? You think it's okay? You think it's wrong? Or you think there should be a welding procedure for that or not? You think it should be legal to do it? Let me know in the comment section below. All right. Other than that, guys, that's it for today's video. Just stay safe out there. Keep welding. God bless, and I'll see you next time. All right. Bye.